friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey Helton, and in today's video, I am going to be doing a Fall Monday refresh. I don't know about you, but I pretty much take the entire weekend off from doing things around the house. I spend all of my time with my family, going out, having fun, and enjoying life. So when Monday rolls around, I have so much to catch up on. I don't do a whole lot of cooking over the weekend unless we have something special planned. We're usually going out to dinner, but I am going to catch up on all of the dishes today, unloading the dishwasher. I do have a few things from the weekend that I need to put in the dishwasher so I can get all of that out of the way. So I have a fresh, clean kitchen, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I am going to share with you a super easy, fun fall recipe that you just have to try. Also, if you are new, I am so glad you clicked on this video, and if you enjoy lifestyle, home decor, holiday decorating, cleaning, cooking, all of that stuff, I have so many videos that I know you will just love, so I would really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all of the videos that I post. Alright, now that I've got the kitchen cleaned, I am going to start on my recipe. It is a 4-ingredient, super fast and easy fall treat recipe, and it is a caramel apple bark. You will need 1 Granny Smith apple, a bag of chocolate chips, a container of caramel dip, and some pretzels. All you have to do is melt the bag of chocolate chips in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You're going to have to stir it quite a bit until it is smooth, and then you're just going to spread it on some parchment paper. I put mine on a cookie sheet, and then you just top it with the pretzels, line them all up, and dice up the apple and mix it with the caramel dip. It's so easy. Then you just spread it on the pretzels. That was kind of a little tricky. You don't want to make the pretzels move around, but it wasn't so bad. And then you can save some of the chocolate to drizzle on top, but what I did, I just had more chocolate chips, so I melted it. I might try the melting chocolate wafers next time, but you're just going to drizzle some on the top. The reason why I wanted to try the melting chocolate wafers is because my drizzling didn't drizzle so well. It was kind of messy and thick. That is not the way I wanted it to look, but that's just how it came out. But you're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour and serve it cold, and it is so delicious. If you love caramel apples, you will love this recipe, and it is so fun and easy. So let me know if you try it, and let me know what you think. So actually, the start of this video was filmed on Sunday, so I have a super easy dinner that we picked up at Sam's Club. It is this gyro kit. I am in love with these things. They're so easy. You can put it together in like 15 minutes. You just dump the meat in the pan, heat up the pita bread, and you've got some feta cheese and some feta fire sauce and the tzatziki sauce, however you pronounce that. Oh my goodness, so amazing. And then I cut up some lettuce, tomato, and onion to top it with and make some crinkle cut fries, and it is such a simple, easy dinner, and I'm just throwing that together before I get started on the rest of my Monday prep. Okay, now it is actually Monday, and I like to start my Monday off with a trip to the grocery store so I can have everything that I need to cook our meals throughout the week. I was actually going to make hibachi on this day. This day's kind of a little bit out of order, but it got a little too late when I got home. You know how that goes when you go grocery shopping. You just don't want to cook anything when you get home, but I did do some cooking, but it was something simple. I like to get the General Tso's chicken in a box. I will show you in a minute, but it is so good. And I got sweet and sour chicken for the boys, so I just cook the chicken and then I cook some rice and some stir-fry vegetables and mix it all together with the sauce, and it's pretty easy and you don't really have to cook. You're just basically putting it together. So that is what we had on this Monday night after I unpacked all these groceries and put them away. I did do a little clean out of the freezer and the pantry, just getting rid of a lot of stuff that was expired and that we don't have room for anymore. So I got some shrimp and broccolini and zucchini and squash for our hibachi tomorrow. I got a little treat, some pumpkin spice rolls, some snickerdoodle cookies. I love these garlic bread, so I had to grab a couple of those, and that is the chicken that I make. It's super easy and it's really good with the rice and the veggies. Got a few frozen foods. I went to Bath & Body Works. I got some wallflowers and a candle. They were having a candle sale. I got pumpkin apple and my holy grail, the ranch seasoning mix. That is what I make my dip and everything with. I don't like the dip mix, always a seasoning. Got some low carb tortillas for breakfast burritos and just regular burritos. I got some of these hoagie and brat rolls that I'm going to make some Italian beef this week on. And then I got some paste sauce that I'm going to make some chicken tacos in the crock pot, some hot dogs because we're chili season, baby. So everybody loves a good old chili dog, some chorizo for breakfast burritos. I got Italian sausage for spaghetti and stuff. And look at these bread and butter chunks. Yum. I can't wait to dive into those. I could have bought like 5 or 6 jars of pickles. There's so many different kinds. That's my favorite salsa for the moment. I know I usually get fresh salsa, but I've been hooked on that because I can have it readily available whenever. And then look at all these chips. I know I told my husband, I said, it looked like we were making good decisions until we bought chips, but they were 5. If you bought 5, they were 99 cents a bag, and I am loving Kroger brand chips. So good. All right, now let's get on with the day. So I had some laundry to hang up, and all of a sudden I decided, you know what, my closet is a disaster. So it's a perfect day to just reorganize everything. And you'll notice I'm in different clothes on this day. It was all on the same day, but like I had some clothes on before I left the house, and then I changed, and then it got cold, so I changed again. So I'm in like 3 different outfits on this day. But what I am doing here is just kind of reorganizing all of the items in my closet that are hanging up. I kind of had everything color coordinated by section, like long sleeves, t-shirts, dresses, but it was just looking so crazy. It was driving me nuts. So I decided just to put everything in one section by color. So dresses, t-shirts, long sleeves, jackets, whatever the case may be. Everything that was that color would go in the section. So that is what I'm doing. My husband's like, wow, that's OCD much, but it's so much more pleasing. And look, my vanity's in here. So I want a nice, pleasing, relaxing place to sit, not something that feels like super chaotic and messy. So that is what I'm trying to accomplish. And you will see that it is crazy. Like, he came in at one point and was like, it looks like you're making it worse, which it always has to get worse before it gets better, but I finally got it under control. I had so many dresses to go through, and that is the main problem, is my dresses, because I don't really have a long area. I did have a long area that I hung dresses, but it's where I put my little vanity. See, I wanted to have like a vanity where I could do my makeup and have all my stuff out, and it wasn't in the bathroom or just anywhere else that is just out in the middle of the room. So I put this vanity in here a couple years ago, and it did take my long hanging space, but I love sitting in here. If I'm missing in the house, you can always find me just sitting in my closet. So I'm going through all my dresses and trying to get them color coordinated as best as I could. Some of them were just so big because I just have so many big fluffy princess dresses that I couldn't put them in their respectable color sections because they were so long. But I did a little hack where I folded the long dresses onto 2 hangers so they would hang nicely in a short space without getting wrinkled. So I'm really pleased with that, and I think that I did a good job, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Don't get me started on the drawers, because those are never going to be organized, you guys. Sometimes I will do it, but they're just torn up in just a matter of days. I kind of wish you couldn't see in them, so everything would look nice and seamless without being able to see in them, but that is just not the setup that I have right now, so it's just gonna look messy in there. I did not do a thing to those drawers. But I'm just gonna pop on here and show you the finished result from just my crazy idea of recolor coordinating my closet on this Monday refresh. I bet you didn't think it was possible, and neither did I, but I've got the closet looking so much better. Ignore the drawers and everything, because I mean, I am not going to be able to keep this folded and nice. I never will. That's never going to happen. I wish they were like closed off so you couldn't see in them, so I could just cram everything in them. But what I did was I had all my dresses in one section, which made sense. But I don't know, all the colors being jumbled up kind of like was driving me crazy. And my husband's like, OCD much? But this is my favorite color to wear, is the cream. I guess it's just like the cream beige color. And so I put all of that on this side. And then I have a whole leopard section, but I tried to like scrunch it together and put it back in the corner, because even though leopard is cute and everything, it was like really bothering me because it was like just so much going on. And yes, I know it's my closet, that sounds crazy, but then I kind of just transitioned into the like brown orange color, yellow, and then pink, because I have so many pink things. And then my dresses, I have so many. These were all gonna just be pink dresses, but this blue one is just too big to do anything else with. It is a huge fluffy princess dress, and I stuffed a few purple and yellow ones in there just because they were pastel. So I thought that it would be, you know, it would be fine. And then down in this area, see, I hardly ever wear black, so and that's a lot of like vests and weird stuff that I don't even really wear, and some dresses, so I hardly have any black tops. I don't like wearing black that often. So then just some other colors down here. Black, I have like 2 yellow shirts, even though I love yellow. Green, blue, and red. So maybe it is a little OCD, but I don't know, it feels better in here. And why does it need to feel nice? Well, I sit in here all the time. I like to hang out here. There's Buddy. I've got a bunch of cords on the floor for like my hair dryer and stuff, but that's my vanity. We're not going to look at that because it is a complete mess. And I just stuffed that, what do you want to call it? Neon light there. I think I'm going to hang it up in here. So whenever we turn out this, like that's the vanity light that I do my makeup with. I'm trying to turn it off with my foot. So that's what it looks like with the vanity light off. I have 2 lights in here. They're really pretty, if I can Get the camera to focus on them. Yeah, this is good. Good as it will go, but the shoes, everything in the cabinets and stuff is just a complete disaster, but it is what it is. It's so much nicer, so I'm just going to enjoy it while I can, because I'll probably keep it this nice for 2 days. As soon as I am trying to decide what to wear, I will throw like 20 things on the ground, so. And then I'll rush out of here in a haste and have to deal with it later. Okay, before I go, I wanted to leave you with my little mini Bath & Body Works store I've got going on over here. I just thought that was funny, and I wanted to share so many candles back there and all the goodies. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, sweater weather.